What is a logo system? Very simply, it's stackable logos. It's logos that you can use interchangeably. And I'll give you the example of Nike. This is always the one that's the offhand, just because Nike is so recognizable. I'll also point that Nike is an apparel company. It's also one of the best worldwide examples of branding a company. So a logo system is an iconic logo, right? The mark, such as the Nike swoosh, and a word mark. So Nike in this scenario is what it is for Nike. So you're very used to seeing both of these together. You know immediately what the company is. However, here's the key to it all. If we take away the word mark, you guys know what the swoosh is for sure, 100%. Also, if we flip that and we remove the check, you guys know what Nike is, right? Nike. You know, you get the same feelings and emotions because they've done so well at their storytelling and branding.